This here is a rocker arm cover taken from the engine out of my low cost. The engine in question is a 1300 crossover engine, an engine you would have traditionally have seen in the Mk1 Ford Escort, and now there's a new one. Classic car enthusiasts, brace yourself. The legendary Ford Escort Mk1 RS is making a triumphant return. Boreham Motorworks has unveiled a highly exclusive limited run reboot of this iconic model, combining cutting-edge engineering with the unmistakable spirit of the original Mk1. This announcement is a thrilling moment for fans of vintage performance cars. Here's everything you need to know about the new Ford Escort Mk1 RS. With only 150 units to be produced worldwide, each car will come with continuation chassis numbers and a price tag of £295,000. That is a lot of money for an Escort. Boreham Motorworks isn't just recreating the past, it's going well into the future with what they call a Continumod. It's not a traditional resto mod like you normally would see. It is a blueprint accurate, period sympathetic, ground up recreation that has actually been forged with an official Ford license. There will be two engine options available, starting with the iconic Twin Cam, an 1845cc engine producing 185 horsepower, and that will be mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox and is kind of seen as the purist's choice. For those that want something a little bit more substantial, you've then got the option of a 2.1 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 300 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. And that will be mated with a titanium exhaust and a 5-speed dogleg gearbox. With a target weight of just 800 kilograms, the car will use carbon fibre for things like the boot lids, the bonnet and interior pieces, and it also uses aluminium and titanium all the way throughout the car. It'll even have a floating rear axle and the option of magnesium alloy wheels. The driving dynamics will remain faithful to the original, so that means no powered steering, no ABS, no traction control. The suspension setup is going to be designed in a way to make the car responsive but will give controllable oversteer, and the wheel and tyre setup will ensure lots of grip and stability. Wayne Burgess, design director, has carefully preserved the simplicity of the original Mk1 while integrating modern touches, from billet machined aluminium grille surrounds to an updated yet period correct interior. The Mk1 RS strikes a perfect balance between retro charm and contemporary performance. Alcantara, fine leather and anodized components blend comfort and craftsmanship, while modern amenities like air conditioning and heated screens enhance usability without detracting from the vintage feel. Given the limited run of this car, you are actually going to have to apply to buy one on the Boreham Motorworks website, and I'll pop a link in the description for you to do so. Once they have selected who will actually be lucky enough to buy one, production is expected to start in Q3 2025, with the public expected to be able to see the car in the summer. So that says to me we're either going to see it at the Festival of Speed in July or possibly the Revival in September. Everyone who does purchase one will also get a 20,000 mile or 2-year warranty as well. So what do you think of this new Mk1 Ford Escort? Do you think they're being a bunch of Philistines for producing such a car, or do you think that this is going to be absolutely amazing and you can't wait to see it? Do let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a like. And also, if you want to see more automotive content, then be sure to click subscribe and click the bell icon so as to get notified whenever I load up new content. We're very much on our way to hitting 1,000 subscribers, and it'd be really cool if we could do that by the end of the year. So make sure you hit that big red button down below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I'm Max, this is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.